Hey guys, it's Jamie with Badass Mama Gang, and we are back with another edition of this BOSU ball, and today is all about our legs. Stay tuned. Oh my goodness, this BOSU ball is going to take your leg workout from like 0 to about 4,000 in about 2.7 seconds. So on this first exercise, it's actually just a squat, but we're going to do it two ways. Number one, we're going to do it with the round part of the ball up, and once you feel good and comfortable with this move, you're actually going to flip it over so that the flat part is facing up, and then you're going to continue on with your squat. I always tell anybody that's in my classes is the first time they're doing, make sure you push that BOSU ball up against a wall or a chair so that you can have a little bit of an extra foundation with balance, because this can be tricky the first time that you step on or off the BOSU ball when you're doing a squat. The next thing you want to remember is all the weight of your body is going to be down in your heels, and you're going to want to hinge at the waist like you're sitting in a chair. So instead of your chest coming forward, think your booty is going back and sitting down in that chair. Move number two. This is the VIP for this one today. For this one, we are going to use the round part of the ball to step up into a knee raise. Pick a leg, doesn't matter, we'll do both. And then you're going to come back into a reversed lunge. You're going to see in this video footage, just with me trying this is a very challenging move, but this is a great one to be able to work up to. Try to do a couple on the left side and then switch over to the right. Move number three, we're going to move down to the mat, and this one's called a frog pump. What you're going to do with this one is leave the round part of the ball facing up, and you're going to place your feet up on this. The difference with this one is that you're going to put the soles of your feet together with your knees out. All you're going to do then is a hip lift. You're going to raise up and down. But by having the soles of your feet together, you're going to feel this a little bit more in that gluteus maximus. All right, guys, short and sweet, but today this was my top 3 picks for a leg workout specifically on your BOSU ball. As we've talked before, I like to do my exercises by a timer. I usually pick anywhere between 30 to 45 seconds with a 15-second rest. I don't like to count anything. So I just press a timer, go for the exercise, and then I move my way down to the list. With these 3 exercises, I would repeat it 3 to 4 times. Stick with me, guys, because our next installment is going to be all about balance, and I'm talking some serious balance work. All right, guys, go be awesome.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.